Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to cancel your Primal Age Bison subscription. Okay, so if you have purchased this testosterone booster supplement and by mistake if you have taken any subscription, so how you can cancel the subscription. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to visit on the official website. The official website, you can see this is the official website by primalage.com by slash by hyphen and primalage.com. This is the official website. You need to visit on this website, and once you are on the official website, there is a page, there is a link like manage subscription at the very top side. You can see like over here. Okay, you need to tap on this button, and once you tap on this button, it will take some time and it will redirect you on this screen. On this screen, you need to enter your email ID, which is your registered email ID, and once you enter your registered email ID, you need to click on get login code. Okay, and once you get login code, they will send you a OTP. You need to enter your OTP, and once you enter your OTP, they will log in your screen on your subscription management page. You can cancel your subscription very easily by using that page. Okay, and if we talk about like if this method will not work for you, in this case what you can do, you can call your credit card provider, because in today's time there are some business, there are some websites, there are some, you can say like brands, they are making these kind of scams. So maybe if you are facing the same problem, you can call your credit card provider and you can make a request to cancel your credit card. You need to get a new credit card. Okay, once you get new credit card, your old credit card number and CVVs will automatically disable and your subscription will end it. Okay, so this is the only last option to cancel your you can say like subscription on Primal Age Bison. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.